Hi folks, it's Robin Clayton. I'm so glad you could be here today with another episode of Zodie at the Farm. Robin Clayton here. I'm going to be working on a beautiful piece. I'm going to actually call it the sunflower. So give me a minute to pick it up because it's real heavy. So this is going to be a gorgeous sunflower. All right, it's 3 pieces. So I've got crystal, I've got a solid crystal piece or clear crystal piece. Then I've got a kind of like a yellow orange, beautiful flower bowl. And then I've got this gorgeous orb. Okay, so let me show it to you like this. Okay, and then imagine the orb right in the middle. All right, it's just gonna be absolutely beautiful and quite substantial. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with the drilling method. I'm not going to be able to use the drill press as I thought, simply because the bowl itself is actually too wide and my pull actually interferes with the glass. So I put a little bit of water in this and I'm going to set it down here on a large melamine plate that I have, so that once I punch through the glass, the water won't go everywhere. So I also have my Ryobi drill with my gloves, and I've got my Milwaukee diamond tipped drill bit that I'm going to be using to cut this glass. I'm going to go really slow with this glass. It may take me a while to cut this, but this particular piece is 100% lead glass, and it's so absolutely beautiful. I really want to make sure that I'm very careful with my drilling today. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and bring the camera down so that you can go ahead and watch me as I cut this glass. Go ahead and get started on our first drill. I've tried to get this bowl in the picture as well as I can, so that you can both see me and also the dish itself. All right, so let me go ahead and get started. I'm going to turn this at a 45-degree angle, and I'm going to start very slow. I'm slightly tipping it forward. Make sure you grab onto the plate. Alright, let's move on to our next one here. Started. Start at 45 degrees, okay? I'm gonna just hold on to the drill and then I'll move back to grab the dish so that it doesn't slip when I'm doing this, but I wanna get this started. So starting at 45. So all pieces at this point are cut, and let's now move on to assembly. It's really important to clean your plates prior to assembly, because you're going to be displaying these, out to the public, and you want them to be as beautiful and shiny as they can be. So I really take the time to clean these. All right, tell me that one doesn't shines so much better. I know it does. And I'm using goof off. That's what I normally use. Okay, so that's one piece. And then let's clean out the actual sunflower piece. I love this bowl because it actually has all the hobnob texture to the plate, to the bowl, which makes it so look like a beautiful, gorgeous sunflower. Okay, I love it. It's one of my favorites. So go ahead and get started with assembly. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your plate, turn it over, and I've got a smaller hook this time, and I've got a silver rubber washer, and I'm going to stick that right there. I'm using a smaller hook because of the diameter of this glass base. All right, so I'm turning it over just like that, and I am now putting in a bumper, and that'll go right there. Okay. Actually, I think I'm going to take a larger bumper right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and stick the large, beautiful sunflower in, and then I'm going to go ahead and put a small bumper in. And actually, I think I'm going to put a rubber washer in there, and then a bumper there. Okay, so that keeps that nice and secure. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and start my toggle, and I'm going to do it with the wings facing out. I've seen other people do it a different way, but for the orb, this works really well. All right, now is the time for the orb. Okay, so my orb already has a hole there. Okay, so I'm just going to feed this. Okay, there we go. Okay, now let me show you that the orb has gone ahead and grabbed the orb, so we're good there. All right, so then I'm going to just carefully turn this over. Start to tighten up there. I don't know if you can see that. I certainly feel it. Okay, folks, here is our final result of this beautiful 3-level. It's got the hook on the back, just like that. And I have a tray that I'm going to also sit it in. But this is just a lovely, lovely piece. I hope you enjoyed this. Okay, so if you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, the share button, and the subscribe button, so I know that you're out there and that you're watching the videos and that you are enjoying them. And please share them because I just think that this is kind of an untapped area, and I think that there's just a tremendous opportunity to create beautiful things for your home. So with that being said, I will put all the information on the description, in the description below, listing all the items that I've used today. And I hope you have a good week, and I'll see you next week here at Zodiacy at the farm. Take care. Bye-bye.